You like margaritas? I like margaritas. Today we're making a citrus jalapeno kicker. Now this thing's the bomb. Here's what you're going to need to make it. You're going to need your favorite tequila. You're going to need some Cointreau liqueur. You're going to need fresh squeezed lemon juice, fresh squeezed lime juice, fresh squeezed orange juice, some agave nectar, a jalapeno, and an extra lime. Now, if you can't fresh squeeze it, that's fine. If you are fresh squeezing, make sure you get one of these. It's a nice citrus peeler. So this is the bomb right here. I'll put a link down in the description. And I juiced all this with my Jack LaLanne juicer. So I'll put a link to get those down in the description too if you're interested. But let's make this drink. All right, so we're going to start with our tequila. 1.5 ounces of your favorite tequila. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I'm kind of partial to the Kirkland products because they're very good and they're inexpensive. 1/2 ounce of the Cointreau. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. 1.5 ounces of lime juice. And 1.5 ounces of orange juice. We're going to top this off with 1/2 ounce of agave. This stuff's thick. It's kind of like honey, so it takes a minute. You want to maybe over pour if you won't want to leave all the stuff in. Now we're going to take our shaker. We're going to put some ice in here, and we're going to give this all a good shake. Now, you can use salt or no salt. I like to use salt. So basically you take your lime, rub it around the rim of your glass. Just a nice little dip and perfectly salted rim. We're going to get 3-4 ice cubes in our glass. We're going to throw a couple of lime wedges in there, a couple of jalapeno slices, and let's pour our drink here. Look at that. Is that a beautiful looking drink or what? All right, now there's only one thing left to do, and that's taste this thing. If you like it a little spicier, you can kind of muddle the jalapenos a little bit, squeeze them. It'll be a little spicier, but this doesn't sound as good as it is. This is the bomb. Wow, refreshing with just a little bit of that jalapeno zip. Not hot, but just a little bit of heat, caliente. Since we're talking about Mexican margaritas here, caliente means warm. So, kind of warms you up inside. Anyways, thanks for stopping. Please click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks for stopping. Have a great day. Cheers, everybody.